Oh, fundamentally, we're right at the forefront of the digital wave. That's precisely what we're about. If you wanted to nutshell what Boxar is, we're building digital twins of entire organizations. So the digital wave sums us up completely.
So the last time I was in Hawaii, I was actually, I was riding the waves and I was learning how to surf. And I know, so you're paddling and then you're looking behind you, and a wave is coming. And that's exactly where we are currently. We're seeing the wave coming, we're starting to paddle, we're getting up to speed, and the wave is about to hit us and we're there. So I think that's more or less where we are.
You could say that because we have to comply with the digitalization which is taking progress in the industry. So yes, if we would still be analog or something like this, yeah, we would have difficulties selling something like this in the market. So digitalization is definitely here to stay and to continue.
I hope so. I think we were one of the early starters to invest quite a lot and commit to our colleagues, but also to the capital markets about digitalization. What's the impact of digitalization for us? So we were quite early. I think we are on the wave, hopefully.
I certainly hope we are riding the digital wave. I think we've seen in the AUTOMA conference here, a lot of opportunities. It's great to see some consistency among some of the other oil majors here. So yeah, I think we definitely are.
I certainly think so. We started the strategy 3 years ago. We have been very, very focused and diligent to make sure that we implement the strategy from top to bottom, so really getting the support from the board, really getting the support from our grassroots, and really helping them to come together. And we are seeing that that's changing our business models, and that is helping us to become more competitive.
Our company, SNC Lavalin, are definitely riding the digital wave. We're embracing technology, in particular digital technology, as an enabler to enhance how we design, deliver and operate our projects.
Yes, SNAM is riding the digital wave. We launched during 2018 our digital transformation program. So we are currently developing a number of projects in the field of digital transformation. We would like to become a trendsetter both from digital and for new energy services.
Definitely, Repsol is riding the digital wave. We started many years ago. In fact, there are some projects that we have developed long years back before even the buzzword of big data was a buzzword. It's a continuous involvement of all the parts in the company to make this digital transformation a reality.
We are definitely on the surfing board, and we are riding. We just started to ride. However, I think the waves are building up fast, and we can step up to this together.
Ride the digital wave.
We are riding the digital wave.
Riding the digital wave.
Riding the digital wave.
And we're riding the digital wave.